So today I want to quickly show you guys how to install or replace the blade on DeWalt handsaw. This is a battery powered, so obviously for safety purposes you do want to remove the battery, make sure that there's no power going in here. Using a different model that has actually cord power, then obviously you want to remove the cords as well. Make sure that there's no power going in here. This particular one is DCS570. The first things first, let me go over right quick what things you actually might want to know before start installing or removing the blade. So this piece here, that's the blade cover piece. It can be lifted like this, which you are gonna have to do in order to install the blade. And if this piece right here is annoying or it's on your way and you want to kind of go around it or whatnot, you can kind of loosen this handle here. It's on this side, and this will come down, so it will give some more real estate for you to work with. So that way it'll be kind of down there, so it won't be on your way. So in my case, it doesn't really bother me, so I'll just kind of put it back in here and lock it in place, so that way it won't come down on me. Here's this piece that you're gonna have to press it down when you are removing this nut right here, this bolt. This needs to come out, right? So that's what we're gonna do next. I am using wrench with 1/2 socket. So I put it here, and before I start kind of rotating it, I want to press this so that way it locks it in place, and you can remove the bolt or the nut right here. So this comes out, and you do want to remove this locking washer as well, as such. So the next thing, we are gonna install the blade. Just slide it through here. There you go. And then we put the locking washer as such. And to tighten the bolt or the nut, you want to press this piece here again. Make sure it's not going to rotate on you while you're trying to tighten it, and try to tighten as much as you can. Don't go too hard. I mean, once it locks, that's it, and it's all good to go. It's locked in place. Now we're just going to install the battery and give it a try. All right, now we're going to install the battery. Slides in place. All right, now you want to, so this is the safety, right? So this is in the middle either way, right? So it's like it's in the middle right now. So when you try to pull the trigger here, it won't go. So but in order to engage it, you're gonna want to press it either this way or this way, depending on if you're lefty or righty, and then pull the trigger. There you go. It's good to go. This is the video. I hope you guys found it to be helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in future videos. Thank you.